Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this 52-inch Kmart Emperor Hugger ceiling fan, or more likely a Supreme Mark III Flush, considering that the fan's appearance definitely has the same OEM as the Supreme. I got this fan off of eBay last week from Aiden's Ceiling Fan Corner. Last week he messaged me on Instagram and told me that he recently acquired 3 new in-box Kmart Emperor Huggers and sent me the link to the listing. Since I have been looking for a fan like this for over 10 years, I cannot pass up the opportunity. So I decided to buy one of these. This does look pretty much identical to the Supreme Mark III Flush that was in the abandoned house that Fan of Vacuums 2 recorded back in 2014. Since I was very drawn to that fan, I've always wanted to have one of these. I'm very happy to have finally acquired one. Thank you so much, Aiden. And since this fan is a very special one, I will not be getting rid of it. So these fans were sold at Kmart back in the 80s. I don't know exactly what year it's from, but appearance-wise, I'm guessing between 1983 and 1988. They only made 15,000 of these. This one is number 7,013 out of 1,500. 15,000, excuse me. We'll go ahead and review the box. And as you can see, it is factory sealed. I'm going to be the first one to open it, so I'm very excited. Hugger style 52-inch ceiling fan. And there's the fan itself. It's got the nice chunky motor housing. Got some nice cane blades with oak finish. Nice schoolhouse globe. And on the light kit, instead of those, what do you call it? Those, like instead of those like really long, for example, instead of having these V-shaped holes in the light kit, instead it's got those round ones. UL listed 28G4. Got all the features: 4 wood blades, one side plain, one side cane, 3-speed pull chain control, reversible rotation for summer cooling and winter warming, light kit included, installation instructions included. Kmart. The fan is in polished brass, according to the box. There's the side of the box, pretty much says the same thing. And here's the other side. This side says something different. Help save energy while you stay comfortable all year round. Manufactured in China for Kmart Corporation. Fragile. Must be Italian. Warning, do not open box with sharp instruments. I will try my best. Alright, without further ado, let's not waste any more time and get this unboxing done, shall we? Alright, let's start by peeling this plastic wrap off. Trying to be as careful as I can, especially doing this one-handed. You know what? I'll just do this without the camera. All right, I have successfully removed the plastic wrap. Luckily, didn't tear it up too much. I'm far enough, so it doesn't matter. Trying to open this up as careful as I can, but yet film at the same time. It's really stressful doing this one-handed. Yeah, it was close to impossible pulling that off with one hand, so I had to stop recording. I don't want to damage the interior, so I'll try to open this as lightly as possible. I'll have to cut that part right there. All right, I'll put the knife down there. My goodness. This box has been closed for so long, wants to close back up. Here are the instructions. Here's the mounting bracket. Oh, this is interesting. Never seen this before. All the screws in its own little container, as well as the pull chains. Oh, I guess it is a Supreme Mark III. Try not to damage the styrofoam. Come on. There we go. Okay, we got the blades in here. Got the other two down here. Okay. Here we have the motor housing. Got the really nice globe. Yeah, this has to be a Supreme Mark III. Blade brackets right here. And here we got the motor. All right, let me unwrap it. All right, let me unwrap everything first. All right, everything's been unwrapped. Here's the motor, and I guessed right, it is a Supreme Mark III flush. There's the Kmart logo. They're the blade brackets. They are pretty tarnished though, so they're gonna need some repainting. Yeah, those are very tarnished. Here we got the blades, the reversible cane to plane. Here is the motor housing again. I mean, not motor housing, the mounting bracket again, excuse me. The container for your screws and tool chain fobs. Schoolhouse globe. And the motor housing. Here are the instructions again. And since I have always wanted a Supreme Mark III flush in antique brass, I'm thinking of repainting the fan in antique brass finish, especially since the paint on this thing is already tarnished, so might as well. Before I paint it though, I'm gonna test the paint on a different fan first that I don't care about. I'll paint it with like antique brass spray paint and then spray something to polish it. By the way, this fan will also be replacing the SAF Atlanta that's in my bedroom. But anyways, again, thank you so much, Aiden. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed the video.